Hey friends, if you wish to convert Google Slides to PowerPoint and vice versa, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's what you need to understand. There is a format called, I'll mention it here, PPTX, which is the extension for PowerPoint presentations. Okay, PPTX, just like you say DOC and DOCX, is similarly we have PPT and PPTX. So PPTX is the default format for presentations. Now, if you start using Google Slides, this is an online tool. Since the slides are supposed to be stored online, they do not have an extension of their own at that point of time. Now, if you wish to store them offline as a PowerPoint file, click on File, okay, name it Test. Click on File, select Download, and select the .pptx format. Okay, it will store the PowerPoint presentation and I can open it in PowerPoint and then enable editing and change it. There is no difference at all. And if I wish to convert it vice versa, then simply click on New, File Upload, and then go to Downloads. Not downloads, or wherever the location is, it depends upon where you stored the file. And then click on Open, and it will need a while to upload this file. As soon as it uploads the file, we can open it in the we can open it and it will open in Google Slides, and then you can use it as an online file. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.